Cloudflare website hosting review, usage, experience. Links to Cloudflare hosting services are in the description below. Cloudflare is best known for its CDN, security, and DDoS protection, but it also offers a cloud-based serverless hosting solution through its Cloudflare Pages and Workers platform. This service is ideal for developers, businesses, and website owners who need fast, secure, and scalable hosting with minimal infrastructure management. Cloudflare Pages is a Jamstack-based hosting solution designed for static sites, making it perfect for developers using frameworks like Next.js, Gatsby, and Hugo. It offers automatic Git integration, meaning every code push triggers a new deployment with built-in preview links. Performance is top tier, with global edge network caching, reducing latency and ensuring fast load times worldwide. For dynamic applications, Cloudflare Workers provide a serverless computing environment, allowing developers to run lightweight applications at the edge. This means no need for traditional servers, and applications execute instantly across Cloudflare's global data centers. It's great for APIs, authentication, and background tasks. One of Cloudflare's biggest strengths is security. Every hosted website benefits from DDoS protection, WAF, web application firewall, and bot mitigation, making it one of the most secure hosting solutions available. Automatic SSL encryption is included, ensuring secure data transmission. Unlike traditional hosting providers, Cloudflare does not offer traditional cPanel or database hosting, meaning it's not suitable for PHP-heavy applications like WordPress unless combined with external hosting. Cloudflare's pricing is competitive, with a free tier for basic static hosting, making it an attractive choice for developers and startups. Paid plans unlock advanced performance and security features, and the pay-as-you-go model ensures you only pay for what you use. Overall, Cloudflare is best for developers, businesses, and tech-savvy users who need high-performance static hosting and edge computing solutions. If you're looking for a traditional hosting provider with full backend access, this may not be the best fit. However, for modern web applications and speed-critical websites, Cloudflare's hosting services offer one of the fastest and most secure solutions available.